Welcome. I'm Rick McPartland. I'm the founder of the Revenue Game and the Chief Revenue Scientist. You've joined our series on revenue science questions asked and answered in 60 seconds. The particular question we're going to answer today in 60 seconds is, what's an example of not having directional unification? Well, think about silos. Every business has some form of silo today. They have a marketing silo, an engineering silo, a finance silo. You get the idea. If you were unified directionally, they'd all understand revenue in the same way. They'd all use the same language. They'd all be team members. They'd all have the same strategy. They'd have the same goal, and the metrics for their silo would be focused on the organization-wide achievement of maximum profit and revenue growth. Their business would be about, how do we get a revenue culture? How do we get all of those silos working as a great team? Well, most of us don't have aligned silos, and most of us spend a huge amount of money and have an extreme amount of what we call the cost of the chaos to produce revenue. That's an example of not having directional unification. Thanks for joining us today. We've got more in this series. I hope you join us for the rest of them. If between now and then there's anything we can do to be of help, if you want to get your team directionally unified, we call that certified in Chief Revenue Officer thinking, we'd be glad to help you. If you need an outsourced fractional Chief Revenue Officer, we can take care of that. And we sure do a lot of revenue strategy and strategies where you start to get your team directionally unified. Thanks for joining us. See you the next time.